Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert your data frame into the RDD. So we will be using DataFrame.RDD to get that happen. So here the RDD property let you access the underlying RDD resilient distributed data set of a PySpark data frame. This allows you to use low-level RDD operations such as map, filter, reduce, and combine data frame and RDD style programming. So you had the data frame, then you're gonna convert to the RDD, and then maybe apply all these different operations on that RDD. That's possible. It is useful when you need more control than the data frame API allows you. So here we have our sample data. I have name, department, and salary, and here I'm creating a data frame called DF. We are using this sample data and using the list of the columns provided right here. So now we can take a look on our data. It's a very simple data frame that has 3 columns, and you can see right here we have our name, department, and salary. Now what we would like to do, we would like to convert this data frame to the RDD. So here I'm creating this RDD. I said RDD underscore from underscore DF. That's the name I have given, and then I'm saying data frame. That's my data frame. That's original one dot RDD. So now this will be our RDD ready, and we can perform different operations. So here first of all I'm just printing the type of this, and output I will get the PySpark .RDD. So it will tells me now this object is the RDD that we just created from the data frame by using DataFrame.RDD. Now we want to show the contents of the RDD, so we have to loop through because it's not the data frame anymore, so it is RDD, and to loop through all the rows you will be using a different way. Here I'm using for loop, and I'm saying row in this RDD that collect, and then printing each row. So this will show me all the rows one by one. Then again, if I want to use RDD transformation such as extract only names, I can use something like that. So I will say names underscore RDD data frame dot RDD map and lambda row, and then I'm providing name. So I'm telling like, hey, guess what, you need to get me the from this RDD, get me the names from each of the row. Okay, so then it's gonna print the names for me. So we have this RDD created here, and then we have collecting just the names because we have only selected the names in this RDD. Okay, so if I execute right now, and I will show you right there. Okay, here's my data frame, and in the first, if you guys remember that I want to show what exactly is the class type of this one. So after we created this one, it is showing us this is the RDD type. So this printer is showing us this result right there. Okay, type of the RDD type from DF. So that's what is showing. Now RDD contents, you can see that we have all those rows that we use right here. We loop through each of the this RDD, and then printed each row right here. So you can see right there we have a first row, second row, third, and fourth. Then in the last one, names from the RDD, where we have this named RDD, and then we use the data frame dot RD, then map, and only use the lambda here to get the name out of those rows, and then we printed this name underscore RDD, and use the collector to show all the names here. So see right there, this is the names from RDD, and it is showing you the only the names from each of the row. It extracted that, and then we are seeing this value here. So you have seen that how we use the DataFrame.RDD to convert our data frame to the resilient distributed data set, and then we apply the map and other operations to see the records from each of the row. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.